Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix your payment method was declined in App Store. If you are using any iPhone or iPad or any other iOS device and you are having this type issue that you're getting a message, your payment method was declined in your App Store. So let's see how can you fix the issue. So there are some possible ways. The first is that you have to make sure that you're connected to strong internet, and after that you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. So open settings, go for general, go for VPN device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN, or if you're connected, try to disconnect with that. And after that, you have to open your app store here, then tap on your profile in the top right corner, select your account. Then you might have to verify yourself using your Face ID or Apple ID password, and then select country or region option. And now you just have to select your own country or region in which you're living. Once you find here, you just have to tap on that, then select continue option, then tap on agree in the top right corner. Now you just have to update your payment method. So you have to add your payment method here. If you have already added payment method in your Apple ID, so you have to remove it first and then you can easily add it here, or you can add a new payment method from here. So it will make an update in your payment method. So you have to enter your payment method here, then enter also all of these details. Once you have done, simply tap on the done option and your payment method will be updated. You will not get the same issue again. Or if you are still having the same issue, so you have a simple method. You have to contact with Apple Support. So you can use your browser, open your browser and search for Apple Support here, or use your web, or you can use your app here. Here's the Apple Support app. Open that, then select your iPhone, then select more option. Now you just have to select App Store. Here you'll find get more help option. Select that, then select call us. Now you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you just have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple Support. Remember, you can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So in this way your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.